In this video, we'll go over defining monitor regions and reviewing the data they can provide for your Influx project. A monitor region in Influx can provide ventilation analysis data such as air changes per hour and average wind speed, but it can also provide gas cloud volume data, which can be used for explosion analysis. This project already has a completed dispersion case, but we can still define a monitor region as monitors can be added before or after simulations have complete. To add a monitor region, right-click its name from the Project Items tab. Here, two opposing points can be defined for a cuboid shape. It is sometimes helpful to do this from a top view to select the X and Y coordinates with the pick tool, and then manually entering a Z value for the height. Alternatively, you may use the Quick Box tool to define a cuboid shape in 3 clicks. The first mouse click is the starting point, the second will be the width and the length, and the third sets the height. For either method, a rotation angle may be set for the region. This will affect the defining points and may require some manual editing of the coordinates. Once the region bounds have been set, click the Add Item button. If the region is added after simulations have complete, which is the case here, then the name of the region will be displayed in gray text, indicating that it needs to be updated with the project data. Right-click the name and choose Update. After the update is finished, I can review the monitor region data. First thing we can look at is the congestion ratio, seen in its Properties panel. This is simply a ratio of the equipment volume to the total volume of the monitor region. Next, I can look at the ventilation analysis for the region. Here, variables such as air changes per hour, average velocity, and wind chill temperatures can be viewed. If there are dispersion simulations in the project, the gas cloud volume analysis results can be viewed by opening this window. Several variables exist here, such as the volume from LFL to 100%, LFL to UFL, equivalent stoichiometric volumes, Q9 volumes, and the mass in kilograms for each completed case. You may also define a custom gas cloud size if you want to look at ranges or variables different than what is provided in the default table. Here, I'm looking at the volume of flammable gas between 10% and 60% LFL. If you have multiple simulations in your project and frequency values defined for each, then you can view the exceedance curves for the various monitor region data. Any of the data seen in the exceedance graphs or in the ventilation or gas cloud analysis window can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Here we have the gas cloud volume data for all the completed simulations in the project, which includes the custom cloud size of 10% to 60% LFL volume. The last tab will have a list of the defining coordinates of the monitor region, as well as the volumes of the congestion ratio calculation. If you have any questions about monitor regions and how they can be applied for your Influx project, feel free to email us at info@insightnumerics.com.